Welcome. My name is Arna, and I'm going to walk you through our club sign up and account management tools for the web. We have a number of tools for you to embed in websites, including sites like Facebook. And we have these broken out into two categories, primary and workers. And the primaries are the catalog, which is effectively the shopping cart, register, which is club sign up, and manage, which is an account management tool, and selection for member choice, futures, and allocation clubs. The worker frames, they present basket, menu, and message window to a user. Now these frames can be combined to create various application scenarios. Let me walk you through these. There's the plain shopping cart, doesn't do anything else, just shopping. And then we have shopping cart with club sign up, so the member could sign up during the shopping process. Simple club sign up, which has no purpose but for club sign up. That's great for kiosks. Simple account management. This is a single page that is used for account management. It's a great thing for Facebook. And then we have simple member choice futures allocations page, which the page does that one thing. So when we refer here to simple, it means that the page has a simple single functionality. What we're going to be concentrating on today in this presentation are these three, which is the club sign up and account management. There are a few more. These will be covered in other presentations. We have account management and member choice combined, and account management and shopping cart combined, and in two different ways. So let's hop over to our website. On the website, we have a page dedicated to all these iframes and for you to look them over. Probably how you found this video. And let's first of all look at club sign up. So click on that. And I'm presented with the clubs that I can join. I'll join this one. You can join multiple. Say I'm going to pick, I want mixed. These will default to whatever your database says. And notice on this one, it's not there at all because we told it that we don't want a type on this particular club. Continue. And I might have decided, no, I really don't want that. I can go back around in circles, modify my club sign up. Proceed to registration. Once you get to registration, we're going to be providing billing information, shipping information, payment information, and then we'll review what we've done. I'm going to use the autofill. Just found my email address from before, making up a new one. Keep going through the fields. I'm going to deliberately make a mistake. It does want a password. It tells you what the strength is as you keep going through them. For this, I'm going to just make it very simple. I'll provide a birth date. We'll obviously check that birth date that you're 21 years old. For our Canadian customers, 18. Continue. Let's throw in a credit card number. a year. Detected, that's wrong. And here we have the final screen where I review what I'm joining. Hit register. Done. You'll get an email. The person signing up, and it goes back to its default state again of everything is blanked out, and you can take another membership. This also has a timeout that you can adjust to any timeout you like, so that if a customer abandons this in the middle, it will go back to a blank sign up screen, and any previous information that had been entered will have been wiped out. Let's have a look at the back end, what this does. And there we have, I'm signed up for the Mixed Club. There's my credit card number that's been tokenized. Okay, that's very simple. Let's go back and do it a different way. I'm going to go to pick one of these stores. I'll pick, this is the most popular option. And here, I'm presented with a catalog. I'm a guest shopper at this point. I can look at a bottle of wine. I'm not trying to demonstrate the cart here. I just want to, I am to point out that I'm a guest shopper, and I'm going to go over and look at my club sign up options. Okay. Let's say I wanted to join that one, and I continue shopping. So I abandoned joining, and I'm going to come down here and I'm going to buy something. Go over to the cart, have a look at it, and now let's join again. So I'll go over here. Maybe I continue to this point, go back to the cart, maybe continue shopping, go back here, go back to there. So it remembers all these states that I'm in. Makes it much more elegant for your user. So now let's go all the way to checkout. And check out as a guest. Continue here. Let's do the autofill. And I gotta come up with another email. I've got all this information in here filled in. Go down, I've even got my shipping filled in. I'm going to hop over to join the club. Okay, this is where it was the last time I was there. Let's proceed to registration, and look, all my information has been carried forward. So I'm just going to continue and say, no, it wants a password. See, the shipping information got carried forward too. Now, I didn't put in a date, birth date, but that would have also been carried forward had I done that. Let's go all the way. Let's use our sample credit card number, 15 ones, 4 and 15 ones. Register. Now it's going to take me back to checkout. And you'll notice that the birth date that I've forgotten to fill in on this side is now filled in. I can carry through. I've got my card, carry through. And this, what's important to note is this card is already now a token on file because I joined. And now I'm going to get the discount. You'll see here the strikeout on the discount, place my order. Now I have gone from a guest shopper to a club member and placed an order. And it takes me back to the cart. And you'll notice that I'm logged in as Arna. So when I go shopping now, right, let's go add something to the cart, and I go back to the shopping cart, it knows who I am. Let me show you something else to do with this. I'm going to log out. We're going to start from the scratch. And this time I'm going to go through and buy some products all the way through to final registration. But I'm not a member yet. Seems to have lost my autofill. Oh, that's a nuisance. Okay, well, I'll have to fill it in. That's Chrome for you. Okay, sorry about that. And filled it all in here. Put in a birth date. Down to the credit card. So I'm sitting here on an order where actually I'm getting, even as a guest, I'm getting 10% on this one holiday gift box. That's the way the thing is set up. I'm going to actually go back to shopping and get rid of that gift box because it's just going to make what I now want to show you more confusing. So at this point, I am now going to join. So I'm still a guest at this point, and I've got no discounts. I'll hop over here, join that club, agree to the term, agree to the selection. Everything is nicely filled in, except for my password. My birthday's filled in. Now I'm going to come down. The credit card will not have transferred because it was never tokenized, so I'm going to have to enter that again. That's a security thing. Okay, and I am going to register. Take me back to the cart, and looky dooky, I got my discounts for that particular club. And I can place my order. Let's have a look what that looks at back end. These are the one I did earlier. This is the one we just signed up with. And this is the orders that I just placed today. So that's club sign up. A lot of options when you are in this mode of attaching it to the shopping cart. So let's go back now and do the final one, which is to manage one's account. The pure account management, nothing else. Click on this button here. And I'm going to use the suggestion. It's open for anyone to use that account. So this is the membership that I am a member of this club. Now there are more clubs here displaying than there were on club sign up. That's a configuration issue. That's how I want it. There are more clubs in the system. I might belong to a club that is no longer available to the public, for example. And I can change my contact information, my shipping information. And you can have multiple shipping addresses. You can go and manage these multiple shipping addresses, saying I'm gone down here for the summer. I'm going to make that the default. Make a change to it. Back to the main form. And you'll notice that the address changed when I flipped back here because that I'm using my default. And then I can go down to my credit card information, change my credit card. I can go into the order history and look at any of my previous orders. Auto orders for this one because it's public on the website to various shipping addresses. If there is a real tracking number, this database has no real shipping, so there's no tracking number, but if there were, you'd click on it and it would take you to the website for UPS, FedEx, or TSO. Even multiple tracking numbers will work in one click. And you can also look at the date range. So you see a 465 sales. These order history includes everything done on the POS, the club shipments, any wholesale, and the shopping cart. So that's that. Let me log out. Take you back to the page that these are all on. We have other videos that are describing the other aspects of our frame tools, but this is enough for this one session. So I thank you for coming. Appreciate it very much. I hope this was helpful for you. We'll now end the show.